Alright, in this video we're going to go from this to this using this, and this. So when we first moved out here, there was already this play set here, and honestly I started disassembling it a few years ago thinking it was no longer going to be needed. However, things in my life have changed. And got a couple little girls that might enjoy this. You can probably hear one of them in the background. So I've already pressure washed this. So next step, I'm going to put a new roof on it. And I've got a sandbox that's going to go on it and a play slide that's going to go on it. So next up, we'll do the roof. All right, so I've got this that I'll be putting on for the roof. There'll be a link, as always, down in the description for this if you're interested in purchasing one. First thing, I'll remove it. Hey, Ruby. Oh, that's pretty. Had to use vice grips to get out a couple of them. With screws. Can you hand that to me?
Don't worry. Don't worry, guys.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. There you go. Thank you, guys. There you go.
Thank you, Ruby.
You're welcome.
Okay, so mine is too long for this particular playset, so I just screwed it in because I had to wait for some grommets to come in. So what I'm going to do now is take this off, get my wife to, well, take this off, cut it, then get my wife to put a seam in it, and then we'll put some grommets in there. Okay, so next, I ended up having to trim this thing. Mine is not the standard size. Of course, I always have the one that's not the standard size. So I trimmed it, and then my wife was nice enough to put a hem on it and everything, but I don't have grommets. So next up, I'll have to put some grommets on here. So I purchased this little kit off of Amazon. And of course, as always, there'll be a link in the description, right? Alright, so first thing you do, got to put a hole in it. So put the punch right here, scrap piece of wood underneath it. There's the hole. Put the little anvil underneath it. Run that through there. Okay, put that there. Oh, I actually did that backwards. You probably want the smooth side on the outside, which will be this piece right here. So I'll put that in like that. Now we're looking at the bottom side of the cloth here. Okay, there's that. Put that piece on there. Now basically you just use this punch here to push in there, and that'll spread that down. Just like so. There we go. First grommet on. Oh, I need screws. All right, next I want to install a slide. The original was broken. Pretty easy. The slide does not come with the hardware, so you have to purchase that separately. And I'll leave links to that in the description and description of the hardware needed. So first thing I'm gonna do is drill out some pilot holes. And you see the little dimples right here where the screws go. Ruby.
It's shoes, huh? Shoes.
Yeah.
That is shoes, huh? That's what it's doing. That is what it's doing. Ooh, that's Wow. Yeah. Not yet, Sensei, not yet. Not yet. Not yet, Sensei. Not yet.
Yeah, not yet. Go throw it in the trash. Here we go.
All done. My turn.
One thing that I did miss on camera was putting stakes in the ground and screwing the foot of the slide into those stakes. My original slide did not have that, but in the directions it did say to do that with this one. Be sure to watch part 2 to see the truss, legs, and swings added. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.